So hi guys, time to transplant these seedlings. The coconut compost I used here has run out of nutrients and these are not growing anymore, and when they get to about this size you want to transplant them into their own individual pots where they will get more nutrients and new compost. And the new compost I'm going to use is Miracle Grow here in the UK, which is a good compost to use for anything basically. These I'll do another time, but I just want to show you guys today how to transplant chili plants from seedlings into the next stage. So the next stage is going to be, these are 6-7 centimeter pots, so each plant will go in them. After this, then they will go into their final pots, which is about that big and about that tall, and that is 3.5 to 4 litre pots. We've got our compost here, next stage pots, a little picker, separator. This is where the tray we're going to put the plants for catching the water and water coming out of here. So you got your plants there. Some people take the risk, just pick them out like that, but I find it's a bit risky, you can damage the plant. So I'm going to put my fingers in between there somewhere without damaging, and just squeeze here, and there they come out. You see the root system there, and slowly, if I can, just separate them. There you go, there's one coming away. So that's one plant there, and these were watered 24 hours ago, so they've got good, they're hydrated well. Now if they don't separate, you can use a little tool like this and just go in and just prise them away like that. There you go. And as I'm started, I'll just do, so there's our 5. Okay. Now if you need to hold the plant, you can't hold it here, hold it by the leaf. Do not hold it on that stem, that's the main artery. If you squeeze that too hard and that gets damaged or squeezed, the plant could die. You see the depth of that? Add some soil at the bottom. Gently push it down, just very gently, add a little bit more, work with the height. Grab the plant here or here, whichever way you feel more comfortable. Place it in the middle, hold it there, and just loose compost, just add it to the side. Gently push it down to anchor the plant in there. Keep adding. There you go. And that is repotting done for the next stage. Okay, and these are really going to shoot up, and when you see roots coming out from the bottom, then it's ready for these to be transplanted to the final pots. Now when I say roots come out from here, you're looking at the plant would be about this tall by then. So again, I'll keep you posted and I'll do updates on this and keep you informed how these are doing. Also don't forget, because I've got 2 different varieties here, to make more name tags. So this is Patio Fire Chili. Add the new label there, because when they start to grow they're going to be very similar and you're going to get confused with which plant is which one. So I hope you found this useful and you're liking how I'm keeping you updated on these chili plants, and see how these come along. So the Patio Fire, all 11 plants, that's going to go on the windowsill. Now what you might find, guys, is over the next few days that soil might go down and you might start to see a light color stem here. So that means it's a bit too low and you might have to top up the soil a little bit around them. And the final thing to do is to water. You can water here, but the soil will really sink. But I prefer to just give them a little water bath like soak. So fill it up to about 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter up there, and leave the plant sitting here for about an hour to 2 hours, and then any excess water just get rid of. So there we are, they're done. They'll go on the windowsill and grow really well and really fast now, because they've got loads of new nutrients. So if you want to see how these come along, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and I'll catch you on another video real soon. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.